If you're like me, you love shopping at makeup stores and you happen to buy different brushes from time to time, but then when you bring them home, you realize your brushes have different handles and they all look mismatching. Even this one, there is a scratch on it. That is disgusting. Here, let's grab a different brush. So this brush is definitely not a black brush like the other one, but it is from Sephora and, oh, wait a second. Wait. Ew! It is so used. Like, the brush is still good, but look at all that coloring. Ugh. Well, okay. This brush here is not a white or a tan brush, but it's a red brush, and it's not even from Sephora! Ugh, that's so embarrassing. It's not brand. But, you know, I have this brush, and it's the only silver brush I have, and it is from Sephora, but it is also dirty. So we are going to give our makeup brushes a DIY makeover. And look how beautiful they are. Can you just stop and appreciate the hard work that went into these? And it wasn't that hard. It was so much fun. And let me tell you, it's for anyone to do. So you can do this. First and foremost, we will be using nail polish to color our brushes and nothing else. We will be using a hot glue gun to help turn these into magical wands. And what would a hot glue gun be without its trusty hot glue sticks? And lastly, do not forget your working space area. I'm using a pizza box. Yay. So make sure your hot glue gun is warmed up and spouting hot glue. Remember, kids and adults, hot glue gun is hot. That means the glue is hot. But don't fret, if you ever mess up while using the hot glue gun, you could always just peel it off. Make sure to take your time and be slow with this. Obviously, I had a problem with this design, and that's why we're working with hot glue. You can easily peel it off and then restart. So go ahead and peel off the design, and I will show you how to start. Begin at the top and slowly dab a giant glob of hot glue, and slowly wrap it around and twist your makeup brush. This is going to give it a nice tapered effect while the glue slowly comes out. You can add a little dollops of hot glue in between to make a more tree-like or rigid look for your makeup brushes. This is a nice little spiral! Yay! Remember, this is a DIY, so even if you mess up on your bigger brushes, like this powder brush, feel free to have creative form and go at it. Instead of doing a wraparound twirly, I've done waves and twirls onto my big powder brush because it has more surface area to work with. And I just want you to see, I did a lot of random placement of waves, so it has a very unique look. And this is why it's DIY. Be creative, have fun with it. And of course, don't burn yourself with hot glue. That sucks. Ta-da! Let's attack it with some nail polish! So this is that same brush that I was showing you, that big powder brush. That big powder brush, I am starting out with a dark purple color. And of course, you could always use makeup sponges to help ombre the effect, or you can just keep going like I am with the brush itself. I'm using this dark purple that is from Daiso, Japan, and I use this on a honey lemon costume for her balls that go around the purse. But anyways, that's beyond the point. So here comes the second color, and I'm using a medium purple or just a normal purple, and it's nothing too crazy. And so I'm going in while the dark purple is still wet and sort of blending it together at the same time. So then I go back with the dark purple, and to make it blend even better and coat some more of the dark crevices, I'm going to add more. So just keep going until you reach some of the brush. You don't have to go until the brush tip if their tips are silver, but I decided to have fun and go all the way to the top where the bristles begin. And obviously, have fun with this, do your colors and everything else, and look how cool it pops with the hot glue on it. I don't think you've seen anything like this before, so yay! This is what it looks like completed, and this is a different brush, by the way. I have used 4 different colors. I used black, dark purple, medium purple, and light purple. And then I did have smaller brushes where I decided to do an ocean effect so you can see how it looks. And these are only 3 different colors. So it's baby blue, light blue, and like a metallic blue. And this is what it looks like with 4 different colors, including black. So it's all those previous colors with black and now hot glue. here's the before. They look so gross and boring and they just look unhappy. This is a makeup brush set that I carried around. Here is the after, and I couldn't be more happy. They turned out so wonderful. These are all done by me, and you know what? You guys can do it too. So make sure to leave me a like, leave me a comment if you would like to try this, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you later!